When you hear the word artificial intelligence, what do you imagine? Robots taking over the world? Computers becoming smarter than humans? The reality is both simpler and far more incredible than science fiction movies show. Let's begin from the very basics. At its heart, artificial intelligence, or AI, is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence, not just solving math problems, but learning, reasoning, sensing, deciding, just like a human mind. Now, how does a computer learn to think? This is where machine learning, or ML, comes in. Imagine teaching a child what a bird is. You don't give the child a long, boring definition. You simply point and say, "That's a bird." After seeing many birds, the child learns what makes a bird: wings, beak, feathers. Machine learning works exactly the same way. We feed the computer thousands or millions of examples, and it begins to spot patterns, connections, and differences without being told the rules. This is what allows AI to recognize your friend's face in a photo, recommend movies you'll probably enjoy, help doctors diagnose diseases faster, and power self-driving cars that can avoid obstacles on the road. Think of AI as a giant brain, but instead of neurons, it uses mathematical models called algorithms. Here's the simple flow. 1. Data collection. The AI collects huge amounts of data: images, text, sounds, actions. 2. Training. It tries to find patterns in this data by trial and error. 3. Model building. It creates a model, like a map, that connects inputs, what it sees, to outputs, what it should do. 4. Testing and improving. The model is tested. If it makes mistakes, it corrects itself and learns better. Let's dive a bit deeper. 1. Supervised learning. AI learns from labeled examples. Example: showing a million labeled photos of cats and dogs so it learns to differentiate. 2. Unsupervised learning. AI finds hidden patterns without any labels. Example: grouping customers by shopping behavior without anyone telling it what to look for. 3. Reinforcement learning. AI learns by experience, getting rewards for success and penalties for failure. Example: teaching a robot to walk by, rewarding it every time it moves closer to its goal. When problems become complex, like understanding language or recognizing emotions, AI uses deep learning. Deep learning uses layers of artificial neural networks, inspired by the human brain. Each layer focuses on a specific feature: edges, shapes, textures, and so on. This is how AI detects cancer in early stages better than doctors, powers language translators like Google Translate, and even writes songs and poems. You might not realize it, but AI is around you right now. Your phone uses AI to recognize your voice and unlock your screen with your face. YouTube and Netflix recommend videos based on your interests. Banks use AI to detect fraud and secure your money. Weather forecasts are now powered by AI simulations. Self-driving cars constantly sense the environment and make decisions faster than a human brain. AI is not a thing of the future. It is a part of your life today. The biggest strength of AI is its ability to handle massive data, things no human could ever process manually. Find hidden patterns that humans can't see. Make faster and more accurate decisions. For example, in medicine, AI has found new treatments that researchers never noticed. In climate science, AI predicts future weather patterns and natural disasters. In business, AI is saving billions by making supply chains faster and cheaper. AI is becoming a superpower for humanity, not to replace humans, but to help us become smarter and faster. But with great power comes great responsibility. There are real risks we must understand. Bias. If AI is trained on biased data, it can make unfair decisions. Privacy. AI collects a lot of data and protecting it is critical. Automation. AI can replace human jobs, creating economic challenges. Superintelligence. Scientists warn that very powerful AI could behave unpredictably. That's why the focus today is not just building AI, but building safe, ethical, and responsible AI. The future of AI is breathtaking. Personalized education for every student, medical breakthroughs for untreatable diseases, smarter energy systems that save the planet, creative AI artists writing movies, books, and songs, virtual companions that help the elderly live better lives. And that's just the beginning. The real question is, how will you use AI? Because AI is not just a technology, it's a tool, and in the right hands, it can make the world better than ever before.